Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, today we will start a chapter that is locomotion and movement. And in this chapter we will study about the muscles. So we'll be discussing about the characteristic of the muscles and also about the types of muscles. Now muscle tissue is the most abundant tissue in most animals. Human body has some 239 separate muscles that bring about movement in majority of animals. The study of muscle is called myology. Muscles of iris and ciliary body are ectodermal in origin. The largest or biggest muscle in human body is gluteus maximus. So this is the important thing which you need to remember. The longest muscle is sartorius, that is your back muscle. The strongest muscle is masseter, that is your jaw muscles. The longest smooth muscle is rectus abdominis and the shortest muscle is stapedial muscle. So this is just a basic information about the muscles. Now let's discuss about few characteristic related to muscles. Now muscles, they are, the first thing is that they are mesodermal in origin. ठीक है, जो germ layer होती है, 3 germ layers are present during the embryonic stage. So muscles are derived from mesoderm and they occupy around 40 to 50% of body weight. जो भी हमारा body weight है उसका 40 to 50% weight is of muscles only. Now let's discuss about the few properties of the muscles. The first is your excitability, that is respond to stimuli. So they have this property कि they respond to stimuli. Suppose the stimulus can be heat, it can be cold, it can be anything. So whenever there is some stimulus, so the muscles, they respond accordingly. Now the second property is contractibility. That means कि they generate force irrespective of load. ओके सो व्हाट मीन्स यहाँ पे इसका मतलब क्या है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्टिबिलिटी मीन्स वट एवर वेट वी हैव टू कैरी. सपोज हमको कुछ लोड उठाना है हाथ से. सपोज you have to carry this pencil, or you have to carry a bag of rice. So different force will be applied, so that the muscles, they have the tendency to show contractibility. That means to generate force, okay, according to the weight of an object. जितना ही उतना ही फोर्स जनरेट करेंगे जैसा ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एक्सटेंसिबिलिटी, दैट इज इट कैन बी स्ट्रेच्ड. And the last is your elasticity, that means they return to their original state. Okay, so these are the few characteristic, few properties of the muscles. Now based on the location, muscles are divided into 3 types, that is your skeletal, visceral and cardiac. So this you have already studied in your lower class, and you have you must be quite familiar with this diagram also. This is the diagram of skeletal muscle, this is cardiac, and this is your smooth muscles. So now let's discuss one by one. Now the skeletal muscle, the first thing is that they are voluntary muscles. Means here the command, here the control is our hand. जैसे हमारी limbs की muscles हुई, ठीक है, हम जैसे चाहें उनको move कर सकते हैं अपने हाथ पैर को. So that is your skeletal muscles. Okay, now these muscles are striped in appearance. They have striations. That means उनमें light और dark bands present होते हैं जो कि striations कहलाते हैं. And next thing, they are cylindrical in shape. Okay, they are unbranched, cylindrical होते हैं, and they are multinucleated. Okay, so these are the few basic characteristic of the skeletal muscle. Now next is your involuntary muscles. Now involuntary muscles और विसरल मसल्स को स्मूथ मसल्स भी कहते हैं. ओके, दे आर इनवॉलेंट्री इन एक्शन. दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट in our control, that is they are controlled by our nervous system. Okay, then these muscles, they are found in the your digestive tract, in fallopian tubes. Okay, so here these muscles are present and they show involuntary action. Here the striations are absent, no light or dark band is present. they have a smooth appearance and they are spindle in shape. इनका जो shape होता है that is spindle, that means both the sides are pointed. Last is your cardiac muscle. As the name suggests, these muscles are found in heart only. They are also cylindrical in shape, but they are branched, and the one cylinder is connected to the other through the intercalated disc. They are also involuntary, that means that is not in our control. And the last thing is that they are striped, they also have striations. Now let's see the differences. Now muscles, skeletal muscles, they are attached with skeletal components. Smooth muscles found in inner wall of hollow visceral organs, and cardiac muscles are found in heart. Skeletal muscles have light and dark bands. Smooth muscles, they are unstriped, they don't have any striation, they are smooth in appearance with tapering ends. Straighted muscles, they are also they have striations and they are branched. Skeletal muscles, they are controlled by our will, hence called voluntary muscles. They are not under the control of our will, hence they are called involuntary muscles. And cardiac muscles, they are under the direct control of nervous system. So they are also involuntary muscles. So this is all about the muscles. Few things related to muscles, types of muscles. Now we'll be discussing about the structure of skeletal muscle in the next lecture. So this is all, student. Thank you everyone.